In this section, you'll learn about the calculators and graphing tools available to you during the Keystone Science exam. These tools are designed to help you solve problems more efficiently and accurately. During the test, you may have access to different types of calculators. These include a basic calculator and a scientific calculator. Each calculator offers different features, so it's important to use the one that best fits the problem you are solving. Let's begin. Important note: during the following Keystone training videos, some examples may reference the PSSA instead of the Keystone exam. These are used interchangeably by the Department of Education and DRC because the procedures are the same for both assessments.
Above the test question is a calculator button. It is available to you during certain portions of the online test. The basic calculator is a 4-function calculator: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It also has the ability to recognize both positive and negative numbers. Use the pointer tool or your keyboard to press the buttons like you would with a physical calculator. The calculator can also be repositioned as needed. Above the test question is a calculator button. It is available to you during certain portions of the online test. You can select from the basic calculator or the scientific calculator. The scientific calculator is a comprehensive calculator with the ability to perform exponential, logarithmic, trigonometric, and combinatoric functions, as well as the 4 arithmetic functions. Additional trigonometric functions, logarithmic functions, and the factor function are displayed after the function tab is selected. The calculator can also be repositioned as needed. Ask your teacher about having an opportunity to practice using this tool before taking a test by participating in an online tools training.